Hello, kids. How are you? Yesterday, we have completed our chapter number 3, that is subtraction. We have done some worksheets, we have done some additional question, and we have done simplifications also, right? So, today I am going to start a very new concept and a very interesting concept, that is multiplication. So, what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. That means repeated addition is termed as multiplication. Repeat after me. Repeated addition is termed as multiplication. What is multiplication? Repeated addition. Okay? So let us understand this repeated addition. Okay. See kids, repeated addition means, suppose I take a number 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and plus 4. Okay. Now these plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, this question is in the form of addition. Now I can also write this question in the form of multiplication. Which number is repeating itself? 4 is repeating itself. And 4 has come how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 4 has come how many times? 5. So, 4 into 5. So, this is called repeated addition. What is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. Okay. Now, let us take one more example. Okay. Now, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Now here in this question, which number is repeating itself? Here in this question, which number is repeating itself? 7 is repeating itself. And 7 has repeated itself how many times? Count how many 7s are there. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 has come 6 times. Okay. So, this first expression is the repeated addition, and now in second expression we have expressed this repeated addition as multiplication. Now kids, I hope you all have learned table up to 10. Now tell me, 7 6 7 6 7 6 42. So 42 is our answer. Okay? Great. Now, so you all have understand the concept of repeated addition? Okay. Now kids, see here. Suppose I take a number 4 and I have to multiply 5 in the 4. What I will do here? 5 into 4. What I will do here? I will read 4's table 5 times. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16 and 4 5 ja 20. So 4 5s are 20. 20 is our answer. So in multiplication, what we have to do? We have to read tables. We have to count tables. Okay? Let us take one more example. Now suppose I have to multiply 3 into 6. Now what I will do? I have to count 3's table 6 times. Okay? Let us do. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18. So our answer for this question will be 18. Okay? Great. So now you have got an idea about multiplication, isn't it? Okay. Now let us understand the various terms that is associated with multiplication. Okay. See here. 3 terms has been used here. First is multiplicand, second is multiplier, and third one is product. Repeat after me. Multiplicand, multiplier, product. Let us read it again. Multiplicand, multiplier, and product. So, what is multiplicand? Or you can say the first number is multiplicand. That means the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. Means जिस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है वो मल्टीप्लिकेंड होता है. हमें 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो यहाँ 5 मल्टीप्लिकेंड है. नाउ मल्टीप्लायर. Now second is multiplier. What is multiplier? The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. That means जिस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है वो मल्टीप्लायर होगा. तो इधर हमें 5 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो 3 विल बी मल्टीप्लायर. Okay. And the answer that we get for of the multiplication is called product. The answer that we get of multiplication is our product. Okay. Now let us take one example. 6 multiply 3 is equal to 6 3s are 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now, so here 6 is multiplicand, 3 is multiplier, and 18 is product. Okay. So the answer of multiplication is product. The answer of multiplication is called product. Okay. Now, let us read some properties of multiplication. Let us read. There are several properties of multiplication, as we have read the properties of addition and subtraction. Similarly, there are some properties of multiplication as well. Let us read them. Okay, now the properties of multiplication. The very first property of multiplication is identity property. The identity property says that the product of a number by 1 is the number itself. Identity property is also known as multiplicative property of 1. So, it means whenever we multiply any number with 1, we will get the number itself. Whenever we multiply any number with 1, we will get the number itself. Okay? As 4 into 1. 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. So we multiplied 4 with 1, but the answer we get is 4. So that means whenever we multiply any number with 1, we will get the number itself as the answer. Now, 3 into 1 or 5 into 1, 6 into 1, 12 into 1, 58 into 1, whatever the number it can be. Whenever we multiply any number by 1, we will always get the answer as the number itself. Whenever we multiply, repeat after me. Whenever we multiply a number by 1, the answer will be the number itself. The answer will be number itself. That means, okay, फिर से समझते हैं. जब भी हम 1 फिंगर निकालो सारे बच्चे, 1 निकालो, 1 फिंगर निकालो. या जब भी हम 1 से किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? आवर आंसर विल बी द नंबर इटसेल्फ. है ना? जैसे यहाँ पे हमने एग्जाम्पल लिया है 3 into 1. So if we multiply 3 by 1, we will get the answer we get will be the 3. 3 ones are 3. So the answer we get will be 3. Now 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So we get 5. Next is 6 into 1. 6 into 1 we will get 6. Next is 12 into 1. 12 into 1 we will get 12. And 58 into 1, 58. Okay, so this first property is clear to you all. Now let us move toward the next property. Next property is zero property. So the zero property states that the product of any number and 0 is 0. Repeat after me. The product of any number and 0 is 0. So that means whenever we multiply any number by 0, ध्यान से देखो इसमें सारे बच्चे गलत करते हैं. If we multiply 3 by 0, so the answer will be 0. So that means 0 is a गंदा बच्चा. 0 is a गंदा बच्चा. वो जिस भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई होता है उस नंबर को भी 0 बना देता है ना. Now 4 into 0. Again 0 is a गंदा बच्चा. So 4 into 0 will become 0. 7 into 0. 0 is a गंदा बच्चा. 7 zeros are 0. That means the product of a number by 0 is 0. Okay. The product of a number by 0 is 0. Now let us move toward the next property. Next property is, let us read. Next property is associative property. See, or we can say property of regrouping. This we have done in addition also. That means, suppose I have to multiply 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. If I have to multiply 2 into 2 into 3, so I can regroup this number in any way. First I will multiply these two numbers and whatever the answer I will get, I will multiply with this. Or 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So we will, so in this term I can multiply this first and later I will multiply with this number. So this is property of regrouping. This we have done in addition also, है ना. In addition also we can regroup number as in whatever form we want and then we can multiply it. Okay, so answer will remain same. In both the cases our answer will remain same. Now let us move toward next property. That is, our next property is order property of multiplication. Order property of multiplication. Okay. So order property of multiplication says the product of two number does not change when the order of number is changed. Repeat after me. The product of two number does not change. The product of two number does not change when the order of number is changed. Okay. Now let us see. 4 into 2. Okay. So 4 into 2 we will get 8. But if instead of 4 into 2 I will write 2 into 4. Now 2 4s again I will get 8. So see, I have changed the order. मैंने order बदल दिया. यहाँ पे 2 पहले आ गया, 4 बाद में आया. Then also my answer remains same. Product is same. समझ में आई? Okay. Okay, now let us understand this with the help of one more example. Okay, 6 into 3. ठीक है, 6 into 3. Now what we will do? Now what I will do? I will change the order of the number. Now I will write 3 into 6. Okay. So 6 3s are 18. 3 6 are 18. देखा, आंसर हमारा सेम है. ऑर्डर हमने बदल दिया, बट आंसर हमारा सेम है. ओके. So this was the fourth property of multiplication. Now let us revise the properties of multiplication once. So very first property that we have read is the multiplicative property of 1 or identity property. That means if I multiply any number with 1, I will get the answer as number itself. Next property I have told you that if I multiply any number with 0, answer I will get the 0. Why? Because 0 is a ganda bachcha. Now, third is property of regrouping. 2 into 2 into 3 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. यहाँ पे रीग्रुप हमने दो अलग तरीके से किया, बट हमारे आंसर सेम आएंगे. Okay. Now the fourth is what we have studied. Yeah, order property. We have done the order property. So in order property, that means 4 into 2 is equals to 2 into 4. Okay. Done it? Good. Now beta, now this was the introductory part of the multiplication, है ना? This was introductory part of the multiplication. Now we will do some real mathematical question. Okay. So first I will teach you multiplication of 2-digit number with 1 digit without regrouping. So suppose I take a number 23 and I multiply 23 with 3. अच्छा, चलो फिर से क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं. 23 and I have to multiply 23 with 3. Okay. Now देखो, हमेशा की तरह it is very important to consider, to keep in mind the place value of the number. प्लेस वैल्यूज नंबर की ध्यान में रखना. कोई भी क्वेश्चन आप करो, वेदर इट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, व्हाटएवर you are doing, keeping in mind the place values of the number is must. Okay, great. Okay, so place value of this number is ones and this is tens. Okay, so first क्या करेंगे, we will multiply 3 to 3. सबसे पहले ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वंस प्लेस पे. जैसे हम एडिशन करते हैं तो we always start with ones place, no? So here also we will start with ones place only. Now करना क्या है, 3 का टेबल 3 टाइम्स, 3 का टेबल 3 टाइम्स. नाउ चलो काउंट करो 3 का टेबल बेटा. टेल मी द आंसर. कम ऑन फास्ट. Okay. So 3 3s are 9. So I will write 9 at ones place. Now let us do 3 into 2. Here at tens place 2 is there. So we will multiply 3 by 2. So 3 2s are 6. 69 is our answer. Okay. Let us take one more example. 31 into 4. Okay. सबसे पहले ones and tens. Okay. Now कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? We will start from ones place. 4 into 1 से हम शुरू करेंगे. Okay. Now 1 4. 4 into 1. 4 1 जा 4. सबसे पहले 4 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. So our answer will be 4. Now 4 into 3 at tens place. Now 4 का टेबल 3 टाइम्स काउंट करो. 4 1 जा 4. 4 2 जा 8. 4 1 जा 4. 4 2 जा 8. 4 3 जा 12. Okay. So 4 3 जा we have got 12. So our answer is 124. Got it? इतना समझ में आ गया सारे बच्चों को? ओके. नाउ हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लिकेंड में 1 डिजिट और बढ़ाएंगे. मतलब 3 2 3. 323 multiply by 2. Let us do 323 multiply by 2. We will start with ones place. So at ones place we are having 3. So 2 into 3. 2 3 is a count table. Count table and tell me the answer. 2 3 is a 6. Now 2 2s are 4. And now we will move toward the 100 place. 2 3s are 6. 646 is our answer. Okay, clear? Now I'm going to give one question to you, and now this question will be done by you only. Okay. 3 1 2 multiply by 3, or let us make it a bit harder, 4. Okay, do this question. Do this. Completed? Do it fast, beta. How much time you will take to do this simple question? Now 4 2s are 8. Acha, now here's see, 4 1 ja 4. We have read this in the property also now, that whenever we multiply any number with 1, we will get the number itself as the answer. So 4 1s are 4. Now at 100th place we are having 4 3s are 12. So now we are having 1248 as our answer. Okay. Now 300 by 3. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, kids. I have told you in the properties that 0 is a ganda bachcha. So 3 multiplied by 0 will give us 0. Again 3 multiplied by 0 will give us 0. And 3 3s are 9. So our answer is 900. Okay, our answer is 900. Okay, great. So now I hope you all have understand the concept of multiplication. Okay, you all have got the concept of multiplication. We have gone through the terms also. The first number is multiplicand, second is multiply, and the third one is product. This much is clear to you all? Okay, so this is it for today. Take care.